my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some coconut cupcakes with some chocolate and coffee buttercream. So, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Upload every day, Monday to Friday.
Add in a pinch of salt to 3/4 cup of flour and mix until well combined. In a bowl, add in 4 egg yolks, whisk slightly. Add in a 1/2 cup of castor sugar and mix until the mixture goes thick and pale. Add the dry ingredients in 2 batches. And add in a 1/3 cup of coconut cream. Mix until smooth. In a bowl with 4 egg whites that have been whisked until stiff peaks, gradually add this to the mixture and fold it in. Pour the batter into prepared cupcake cases and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. In a bowl with 170 grams of softened butter, mix until the butter is pale in color. Add in 1 cup of icing sugar and mix until smooth. Add in 2 egg yolks and mix until well combined. Add in 1 tablespoon of espresso powder and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined and smooth. Add in a 1/3 cup of melted chocolate and mix until well combined. Add in a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder and mix until well combined. Mix until smooth and creamy. Pipe some icing onto the cooled cupcakes. Sprinkle with some coconut on top of each cupcake. These cupcakes are so good. The sponge is extremely light and fluffy, and the icing, it is so rich in flavor and so creamy. Enjoy!